this week I want to do something fun. I know Thanksgiving's coming up, and happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. But recently I found out about Meshtastic, and I have been going nuts over it. I have been flashing radios and slowly learning about it. And I'm going to be honest with you, I did not understand before I got into it why people were so excited about this stuff. But there is so much stuff that you can do. One of the following videos I want to do, if I get enough likes on this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover how to put a Meshtastic BBS up with a Raspberry Pi. So if you leave enough likes in here, I'll probably put it up on Turkey Day. But what we're going to do today is I'm just going to show you how to basically order one of these off of Amazon, which that's all that's in here. It's a screen, if you can look right there. And on the bottom of this thing, you'll see that there's a little antenna right there. You plug the little antenna. It's one of those little aggravating ports. I forget what the name of it is. It can be externally powered on the back of it, right here. But they sell 3,000 mAh batteries, 2,000, and it depends. You can calculate the math later. But all I know is this sucker here, I've been driving around inside my car and I have been catching nodes and everything else, and I'm excited because this one doesn't even have a GPS on it. Some of the units that you can buy have GPS. I might be able to go into that before I go into the video. But long story short, you could buy these off of Amazon for next to nothing. And when you get this, all you have to do is flash it, and you can do it through the web. And I'm going to do that in this video. I'm going to show you how to get this in. And they're ESP32 chips, basically, with an antenna connector. I believe they call it S2, ESP-S2. But I'll try to leave a link in the description. But what I'm going to show you is how easy it is to flash it on the web. All you need is a USB-C. And one other thing, if you don't want to buy a battery, which the batteries are kind of what's expensive, this thing's 12 bucks, I think, right now on Prime Day. But you can power it through a power bank right through here and power it through a USB-C port. I didn't know that at the time. I thought you had to have a battery. I didn't have a battery at all. I just got a battery for this one today. And let me tell you, I've been having a lot of fun. So with that being said, any questions, drop them down in the description or underneath there in the comments, and I'll get to them. I hope everybody has a wonderful and safe Thanksgiving. And let's go ahead and get started on the flashing. Before I started, I wanted to go ahead and give my buddy Jared out there, WSAZ658, with Plug Wire, River Parish Rescue Off-Road Club. He's the one that got me started in all this stuff. He's been my guiding light. But when you get this thing, so this is the actual box, and let me show you. This came in with this, and I didn't know this at the time, but everybody has got these fancy boxes. So it comes with an extra cable. It comes with some pins or what have you. Now, I did not have money when I first got it. So what I did was I took this label, pulled this label off, and I used this box as a container right here. It has a little antenna that comes with it as well, which I don't have one right here, right in front of me. This will come with the box too. It's a little SMA, and there's that little aggravating connection I was talking about earlier. But what I did was I pulled this through the top of the box and had the antenna I screwed on to the outside of it. As you can see inside the box, they also have like a little antenna. I don't know how good this thing is, but it's got to be pretty decent. But it does come with an antenna as well. And I screwed that in. I got stuff falling all over the place today. But that way you can screw the antenna on to the top of the box. And then what I did was at the bottom of this box, I put a little hole there just enough to connect the USB-C. So you can actually get started with the box that actually sends with. But let's go ahead and show you some stuff on the computer. We'll get to flashing. Just wanted to show everybody, I'm going to leave these links up in the description. But on Amazon, They have quite a few sales for Black Friday. So if you were looking to get into Meshtastic, by the way, I forgot to mention this earlier. In the United States, we're on the 900 megahertz. It's 915 megahertz. So don't go and buy a 433 megahertz or any other crazy thing. In the United States, unfortunately, it's at 915 megahertz. But they have some incredible deals. You usually need at least two of these things. So like this one here, you're getting the Meshtastic, two Meshtastic units, two of those little antennas, and two of these 3,000 milliamp batteries, which is what I have in there. And like I said, you could use that case. And this is all you need to get started. This is all you need to get started. And down here, this to me is an awesome deal. It's $62. You get a case, an antenna. I'm guessing it has a battery in there for it. Let's see. Yep, you get 1100 milliamp battery. It's enough to get you started. Like I said, you can get to this USB-C board, this USB-C thing right here, and power it from here externally. So when you unplug it, like to get out your car and carry it in your pocket, you could do that. But they got some incredible deals. Like, this is nice. I hadn't even seen this one. Look at 1100. It's pretty much the same thing as this one. It just looks like it's in a nicer case. $51. $51. It comes in a black case. That looks really, really sharp. Let's see what else I got in here. I'm just scrolling down through here. And so you can get all into this. The other thing about it is a lot of them, and I know people don't want to spend a whole lot of money when they first start, but some of them, the more expensive ones, have a GPS module. Now you can attach a GPS module, which is what I'm going to do this evening, to this thing here. And look here. Here's another deal right here. 29 bucks. Man, you can't, with a 3,000 milliamp battery in a case, and an antenna, $29. You can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong if you want to just get in the hobby for cheap. I mean, these are very, very good deals. And I'm telling you, it's a pretty fun hobby. But if you can get two of them, go ahead and get two of them. But we're going to go ahead and show you how to flash this thing. So all you have to do is type in, plug your USB-C into the back of the computer. And then what you're going to do is I just go to Google. I'll make this easy for everybody. Can follow google.com. And I typed in Meshtastic Flash. Enter that. See that right there? Meshtastic Web Flasher. For everybody that wants to know what the address is, it's https:// and it's flasher.meshtastic.org. So you click that right there. Okay, so now this you need to kind of pay attention to. I'm about to plug that one I just showed you in. So I'm plugging it in right now. You're going to hear a computer probably beep. Okay, so now it's plugged in. So first thing you have to do is you have to select your target device. You might want to hit refresh if you didn't plug it in already. And here's where you have to kind of know. You see this? This is the one we were just looking at right here. This one right here. The one that I have, which I know because I look at the picture, it's a where is it? It actually is this. It's a Heltec version 3. So you click this right here. Now you got some choices here. It's going to put you on a safe beta. For me, I live on the edge. So I came up here to unstable alpha. And I clicked that right there. So it's plugged in. All you do is just click this little flash right here. You read through that and hit continue. And now, if you mess up, don't mess with any of this stuff here. Now, if you want to go ahead and do a very fresh install, you can do this to fully erase and install. And all you do is just click this. Actually, let's go ahead and do it. What the heck? So I'm going to do a full erase and install. This little box is going to pop up. I don't know. I don't use Windows 11, but you look for the one that says UART Bridge Controller. So this one's on COM8. So I'm plugged in, hit connect, and you can see down here at the bottom, it's doing all the flash. And after this is done, go ahead and download you the Meshtastic app. Now, you can also run it from the computer, or you can, I just found this out, and I haven't done it myself, so I can't tell you, but they do have a Meshtastic PC app that you can configure everything in on. But I will tell you that if you have an Android, they have a lot more control over the node from the Android app as opposed to the iOS. The iOS is kind of limited. They have more options, but you want to make sure you set it to United States. But I hope this helps somebody. I just wanted to show everybody how this flash goes around. And if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer. I'll be watching. Everybody have a safe and wonderful Thanksgiving. Let me see. I might as well just wait till this thing finishes just in case something pops up. Because we all learn together. We get through this and we're going to learn together. As soon as this is done, all you do is you open that Meshtastic app up and it's going to say, I found a Meshtastic device. You click the Meshtastic device and it's going to say you wish to pair on there. And on the actual screen itself, it's going to show a pairing code. You type that pairing code in and you're instantly on Meshtastic. And this does take a little bit of time. Don't disconnect it, of course. Use common sense. Has anybody played with Meshtastic before? Anybody know about antennas and stuff like that? We're all learning together. Drop it in the comments below and let us know, because we're all learning. I'm learning, and that's the whole thing about this hobby. Now after it gets done, now I think it writes to the actual card. I think it compiles it on a computer through your RAM, because it's a web flasher. So everything's being done through the actual website. So it has to get on your computer somehow. So I think it was going through. But as soon as this is done, you're golden. Go ahead and power it up. But before you power it up, make sure you get that antenna on too. I read in some forums people turn it on without plugging an antenna in. Make sure you got that antenna plugged in before you start transmitting. And you're done. And I hope everybody has a safe and happy Thanksgiving. And I will try to get that video up on putting up a BBS with Meshtastic. So look for that around Thanksgiving time. I'm going to try to get that done for you guys. Sorry I hadn't been feeling good. And, well, everybody have a safe and happy Thanksgiving.